All sea creatures and dive sites featured in this video have been added to the DiveGo app. Download it from the Google Play or Apple App Stores today and join divers around the world on the adventure to make every dive unforgettable. Links in the description below. Well, good morning again, guys. Another day, another island. So, let me climb up to the sun deck and we'll have a look at it. This one is the namesake. This is Socorro, the biggest of the bunch. Let me get up here. There we go. Alright, nobody here. Socorro is quite a bit larger, as you can see. Puts the other two to shame in terms of size. Can't even get it all on one screen. It's got the most greenery. That's also why we call it the Socorro trip. As we said, it is the Revillagigedo Islands, but Socorro's just easier to say, so the big island gets the money. You can see there's a few boats here as well. There's 3 in total. Can't tell what that one is over there, but here, there's that boat I was talking about right there. Zoom in on it for you. It's not a million miles away. This will work. Yeah. Anyways, a lot of people who have been doing this trip, like who are not first-timers, say this is their favorite island for the diving, so this may be the, bang for our buck that we've been looking for the last day. I obviously am a first-timer, so I have no idea, but let's keep our fingers crossed that we'll see some epic stuff here at the big island of Socorro. Well, sounds like I said Hawaii there. So let's get on with it. Alright guys, so first of all, you can see here we have a slightly different order of things than we had before, so there's that check in there. That's what the Mexican military have a base on the island somewhere, I don't know where though. So you can see we have a bit of a late start. Our first dive's at 9 instead of 7, as usual. And, let me flip it. I've spotted another one of the ships over here, so let's give you a good view from the front of the boat. Because one of these is actually the sister ship to this one, so let me fight my way through the bow of the ship. And there's the other one. I'll zoom away in so we can see it. Yeah, so there's one there, and the other one I showed you already is over here. Yeah, and as I was saying, one of these is the sister ship to this one. So we're on the Kino El Guardian, and the other one is the Rocio del Mar, which is, they're both under the Mexico Liveaboard brand. So, yeah, I don't know which one of them it actually is because I've never been on it. But there's the fun fact of the day. Alright, well, we're gearing up, as you can see, and behind me.
So they are coming.
We're Group 2. And our dive site, if I can kind of squeeze it through here, let me try this. Our dive site will be there, by that point. Oh, did you see that viz, eh? Or as we say in the cold water, an average day. Well, that's a fun dive site. You get rocked around and everything. What do you think, Carlos? Nice dive site?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was okay. Visibility not so good.
Yeah, that's what I was saying.
But hammerheads.
Yeah, hammerheads, mantas.
Hammerheads always
mantas?
nice. Yeah, mantas.
And apparently there's a tiger shark, but I don't know. If I didn't see it, I don't think it did. Yeah.
Doesn't exist.
Yeah. But if the viz clears up, that'll be an amazing sight. So I'm looking forward to the next 6 I think we get to have there. So see what we get.
Going the other way, the other side, you just gotta move to the other pivot one. Okay? But if the hammer gets low, then we see them there, they usually gonna stay.
Well, there was Tom testing his nitrox, which means I guess it's time for us to get ready for dive number 2.
Okay?
So let's hop in the water and see what we get. Return to the mantas. Gotta love those guys, big flappy guys. Oh, they're awesome. They put on quite a show, the manta race out here. If you come for any reason, it's come for these mantas. They are awesome. Ah. Ow, switching hands. There we go. Yeah. Well, you heard it, manta race. They are the reason you come. I'm repeating myself, cleaning my ear, of course. What else can I say? It's the manta right here. Still hunt around for some more dolphin shots, but I can hear them. They're out there squeaking at us. We'll get them. Maybe tomorrow. Yeah, dolphins! Tom got dragged down 20 feet by them. They're sneaky like that.
They are cheeky bastards.
Yeah, they sit in front of you and they just drift down, and you go down with them. Yeah, you went from
Consumption
50
goes
to,
up, and your panic level starts kicking. It's a good time.
what was it, 50 to 70, right? That was you?
Yeah, pretty quick.
Yeah, but oh man, they're awesome. Dolphins are cool. And we got 4 dives tomorrow. We got way more chances for more of that. Alright guys, well, heading to the front of the boat because we are on the horn with, well, maybe we're finished being on the horn with the military doing our check-in. Before we get out of here, I'll give you a quick view because we're moving out. Yeah, that's them there. I keep them in focus and talk. Yeah, so just making sure that we, you know, aren't smuggling or drugging or any of the other stuff. No one's, you know, legally doing anything. That's the check-in. But hey, looks like since we're moving again, looks like we passed the test or whatever they have to do. And now, I look like a friggin' peacock of this wind. It's dinner time, which is barbecued ribs of all things. It's, you saw it was steak yesterday, ribs. We had fancy tuna for lunch. I gotta say, if you're gonna do diving, do a liveaboard, man. You get amazing food and you don't have to worry about a place to sleep. Good stuff. And as you can see, there's the barbecued ribs with some roast potatoes and corn on the cob. Yeah, good enough that I had to go for seconds on this one, and I may have regretted that. And finally, we had a really sizable brownie here with an even bigger double of the vanilla ice cream on top of it. And yeah, really good here, and as you can see, this is what I thought of it in the moment. Oh, that dinner was insane. I may have overdone it.
Are you okay?
Yeah, just food coma. They were so good, I couldn't help it. Alright guys, I'm gonna close this off and go into my food coma. We'll get back to it tomorrow with 4 more dives here at Cabo Pearce. See if we can get more of those lovely dolphins. Like I said though, food coma. So I'll see you for tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching guys. Bye.
Let me take you down. Strawberry nothing is real, nothing to hang on about. Strawberry